Hey, have you been on any exciting trips lately?
Yes, I just came back from a trip to Thailand. It was amazing.
That sounds incredible. What were some of the highlights of your trip?
Well, I visited Bangkok and explored its bustling markets and vibrant nightlife. Then I went to Phuket and enjoyed the beautiful beaches and water activities.
I've always wanted to visit Thailand. Did you have a chance to try the local cuisine?
Absolutely. I indulged in authentic Thai dishes like pad Thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice. The flavors were out of this world.
Yum! Thailand is definitely on my bucket list now. What other destinations would you recommend for a memorable holiday?
If you're into history and architecture, I suggest visiting Rome. The Colosseum and Vatican City are must-see attractions. And if you're a fan of art, Paris is a dream destination with its world-class museums like the Louvre.
Rome and Paris sound fantastic. What about something off the beaten path?
For a unique experience, I'd recommend Iceland. Its breathtaking landscapes with waterfalls, volcanoes, and hot springs are truly mesmerizing. You can also go whale watching and witness the magical northern lights.
Wow, Iceland sounds like a nature lover's paradise. I'll definitely consider that. Any other hidden gems you can recommend?
If you're up for adventure, New Zealand is a hidden gem. It offers stunning landscapes, from mountains to fjords. You can go hiking, bungee jumping, or explore the picturesque Hobbiton movie set from The Lord of the Rings.
That sounds like an adrenaline-filled trip. I'll make sure to add New Zealand to my list as well. Thanks for all the recommendations.
You're welcome. I hope you have a fantastic time exploring these amazing destinations. Let me know if you need any more suggestions or tips.
Absolutely, I'll reach out if I need any further guidance. Thanks again, and safe travels.
No problem. Enjoy your travels and take lots of pictures.
I will, for sure. I can't wait to create lifelong memories.
That's the best part of traveling, the memories last forever.
Definitely. By the way, have you ever been to any exotic beaches?
Yes, I've been to the Maldives. The white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters were like paradise.
Wow, that sounds like a dream. How about cultural destinations?
I highly recommend Japan. The mix of ancient traditions and modern technology is fascinating.
Japan has always intrigued me. I'd love to witness the cherry blossoms in full bloom.
It's a breathtaking sight. Make sure to explore Kyoto for its traditional temples and gardens.
I'll add that to my itinerary. What about budget-friendly destinations?
Southeast Asia is a great option. Countries like Vietnam, Cambodia, and Indonesia offer affordable travel experiences.
I'm a foodie, so I'll definitely indulge in the local cuisine wherever I go.
That's the spirit. Trying new dishes is one of the best parts of traveling.
Absolutely. Well, thanks again for all the recommendations. I'm feeling inspired to start planning my next adventure.
You're welcome. Happy planning, and I hope you have an incredible journey.
Thanks. Take care, and I'll catch up with you soon to share my travel stories.
I can't wait to hear all about it. Safe travels, and talk to you soon.